segment is sponsored by Cool Sheds. If this pandemic has you yearning for more space, maybe you need more storage, maybe you need a home office, a she shed, a man cave. If so, you need to come meet Keith Kerwin here at Cool Sheds in Somerville. He has anything that you need. Keith, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you.
Tell me a little bit about what you do, because you've got sheds galore and you can kind of cater sheds to meet anyone's needs.
Yes, we can. So basically, we have sheds that are primarily designed for storing your motorcycle,
Sure.
Lawnmower, things around your house. But then we can take it to another level to where you can take that same platform and build it into a home office, she shed, man cave. We built hunt lodges. So when you have a great platform and a great design with the engineering, you can then take it to a higher level.
Right, so with the pandemic or COVID, as I mentioned, we've all been stuck at home for so long. A lot of people don't have a home office in their house. Are you seeing a big push towards that? People want you to create the office for them?
We have. We've even talked to businesses that were leasing, commercial spaces.
Sure.
And now they've got everybody working from home, and not every home has the office space like you said. So we've talked about putting a nice little shed in their backyard, making it a comfortable office so that people can walk out of their house, physically walk into a separate building, focus on their office stuff and not have the dining room table, the TV, the washing machine, all these distractions that happen in your home that you might not be used to having when you're used to going to an office.
Right, well, we've been broadcasting TV from home for a lot of us, so it'd be great to have a TV studio in your backyard.
I'll be happy to give you one.
Can we talk about the she shed? I am, of course, most impressed with that.
Right.
What goes into a she shed? What have customers done?
So we built a prototype one as a test model for ourselves, and it sold very quickly. Many customers have designed and built their own. We just work on the space that you want, the amount of space you have in your backyard to work with, what you want to do interior-wise, and we have many different options as far as the kind of roof we can put on it, how cute we can make the outside, what kind of color do you want it. The one that we did was Tiffany blue. So that was a lot of fun. And then we just talk about flooring and stuff. And we usually use a contractor after we install the shed to finish up the way you want it. And that's what has been done for the most part.
And then on the flip side, you have the man caves.
Yes.
And then you supply the shed, and then the dudes, if you will, can go in and do whatever they want. What have you seen with man caves?
I've seen a lot more of like do-it-yourself. Where guys will just go in there and just start slapping stuff in there the way they want to, because they don't really care as much. They just want a space and a TV and a stereo.
They don't care about the color.
They do not care. That's not the coordinating and the pretty lights.
They just want to get out of the house.
Yes.
Is what it is.
Yes, separate but equal. That's what they're looking for. They don't want to go far. They just want to go.
I love it. So you guys, Cool Sheds, you have been in business a while, 10 years. What makes you different from other companies?
Well, we're family owned and operated, so we're not run by some corporation. These are our designs, built to our specs by a manufacturer. We have all of our own delivery crews, delivery equipment, so we can control the environment. And that's really important, because you can love my website, you can love me, you can love my product, but if we don't get it right in your backyard, you're not gonna be happy. So getting it right in your backyard is the most important. That's why we have the top of the line equipment and highly experienced drivers, so that you're very happy, and that's why people leave me a lot of 5-star reviews on Google.
You mentioned drivers. You have a big service area. You're going pretty far south. Where do you reach? So
out of our Somerville store, I can service all the way down to Beaufort, Bluffton, all the way up to Myrtle Beach, no problem. We also have a store in Greenville that services the entire upstate. So we can cover about 2/3 to 3/4 of the entire state of South Carolina from 2 stores.
And we have to mention, you were telling me that a lot of these sheds are stronger than our homes when it comes to hurricane season. I mean, that's mind-blowing that you might go to the shed during a hurricane, but what's the wind speed that they can
So I don't suggest going to your shed, but we do build these to a Florida code, the most recent Florida code. So South Carolina used to be 125 on the coast, then it's now 135 is the wind shear that they want to build to. All of ours are built to 160. So that's a Category 5 hurricane rating.
So it's most likely not going anywhere.
It'll be there when you get home from your evacuation.
To your man cave or your she shed, and you can cozy up in there.
Correct.
Let's talk about the process. I know a lot of people watching are interested or need this extra space. What's the starting point? Should we go to your website? Should we give you a call? Come to the lot here in Somerville?
We've tried to make it as easy as possible, especially with COVID. Our website has a ton of information. Every building you see here is listed on our website with payment options, the material builds, the pictures. So it's all there on the website. We have our staff here 7 days a week, so you can pick up the phone and call us. We can help you with that. You're welcome to come here and see our inventory. We can keep it socially distanced as you want to. It's whatever you feel the most comfortable with.
And that's coolsheds.com.
Coolsheds.com.
Is there anything else you'd like to add before we go?
Certainly. We invite you to come and see us or just check us out online. Give us a call. We can do a full 3D design in our office or over the phone. So many customers, because of COVID, want to just give us a call, ask us some questions. 2 minutes later, you have an email with a full 3D design in your email.
Pretty cool.
With pricing options, payment plans, all that stuff. So we will do anything we can to make it as comfortable for you, whether you want to come here and visit, call us, or visit the website.
Right, coolsheds.com. Go start daydreaming today as to what could be created in your backyard. Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you.
This has
Appreciate
been so fun.
All
Cool
right.
Sheds, again, go to the website, give them a call, or their lot right here in Somerville. And we've got more Low Country Live right after this.